Which spy you think you're going at?
That's what I want.
Oh, they're going to the buy now.
Yeah, yo, that's...
Fine.
I'm receiving a lot.
Do we take a chance? Do we take a chance and go all the way up? Buy it?
Oh, the launcher disappeared?
I don't know where it was. Okay, we have back up. Alright, how do we do this?
Yeah, key spawn. We could try a cluster of them, I mean. Wanna give me like 1,000? Well, we didn't hear a loadout poof though.
No, we didn't. You could probably like airstrike and get both. Here, airstrike.
Now, do I go for the inside or outside one? Oh, yeah, I got spotted.
Oh, spotted. Yep, spotted.
What?
I know.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go.
Got a loadout drop inbound.
Oh, maybe they'll be looking at the loadouts then. It's definitely 2 loadouts. Alright, I'm gonna go. Ah!
Gas is moving in. Use safe
Can I
zone
get both of
located.
them? I wonder.
Yeah, you should be able to. Dude.
I gotta do it from like another angle though.
You could do it from here and then strike across, like with the stairs. And then you just do left to right or right to left.
Wow, you finished them?
Mark on the grid. Send it.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. Strike inbound.
What? What? Oh, what?
Oh, good friend.
Oh, that's 1 down.
One down. Oh.
Oh, I don't have angle. I'm sorry.
Oh shit. It's okay.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Oh, they're both up.
Oh, they're both back.
Yep. I got you again.
Is the loadout safe though?
Gas is closing in.
Not really. Gotcha. Ah, I think they have no armor up there.
Eyes open.
You don't have a loadout either.
All right, let's go.
Come on, I need a sniper on this guy.
Hey, one of those.
Sure. I'm not sure.
500. Bomb them. Bomb them up.
Can we though? Do we have enough?
We don't have a double loadout.
Sure.
Oh, you just gotta go there?
No, I have not. Yeah, they've been pinning me down. I'm gonna grab it now.
How come you... Oh, wow.
Oh.
Contact.
Is that a distraction or something? Why are you doing up?
Yeah, here's some money in the back. Oh no, I don't. Oh yeah, yeah.
You got your stuff back.
Yeah, I got my stuff.
Right, come in. Mark on the grid. Send it.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy. Let's strike away.
Got one.
Mark on
Nice.
the grid. Send it.
Finish.
Bounty target is
Yo, let's get that second loadout, dude.
Yeah, I'll pick it up. I'll pick it up. I got money.
I'm gonna pop it.
Okay, action.
All right, did we
Send
go
the
up?
armor.
Yeah, let's go up.
entering the AO.
Let's pop it up there. Let's pop it up there.
Our
Oh
spot,
no!
yeah.
Oh, I saw
Yeah.
you lag. I got scared. That's hilarious, dude.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
I hope they looted everything for us. Dude. I need ammo.
We need ammo.
Got a loadout
See if we
drop
can get enough
inbound.
money for ammo.
Oh, I got to restock fully. I got to restock fully loaded. That's it. That just sounds scary.
Yeah.
That ammo's all yours, bro.
Oh, cool.
Setting a mine.
Do we need more? How much armor you got total?
I got 6.
Gas is moving
Nice.
in.
Awesome.
New safe zone located.
Oh, we're still good. I'm gonna move the truck closer.
Come in. All right.
Maybe the recon after this one?
Downstairs or upstairs?
Yeah, I think it's downstairs. Let me go check it out.
Losing ground.
When you were downstairs, did you have any like spare armor that you noticed that you didn't pick up?
There was the 4 that I dropped on the first satchel. I think it was 1 floor down from the roof, from the ground.
We go on from here. Come on, let's go.
No. I think it's all gone. All the stuff down here.
I'm coming to get you. I'll find you.
Nice.
We're out of time. Scrub the contract.
Very nice.
Objective updated. Secure that
Clusters
position.
on Merrick. As you see. Or saw before. Clusters have been buffed. Truck incoming.
Coming in?
Come in. All right. Setting a mine. Up front.
It got off.
Downed one, downed one.
Oh, nice.
Finish one.
No!
Finish.
Oh, nice.
Oh, no,
Ooh.
Ooh, ammo box. Oh, gas can. Oh, I have a gas mask already. Whoa, someone's here, someone's here, someone's here! Push lots of blow. I'm using it as cover.
He's right on the... Yep, that helps. Good distraction.
What the fuck's happening here?
Oh, I think we could wait, right? For this one. Is it closing yet?
I don't know. We're stuck on that eliminate. Well, we just popped it, so we should have minutes. You're right. But why are they all dropping in like out of nowhere? What the fuck? They're Betty fucking
Setting a mine.
Oh,
do you need kill streak?
I need armor. I'll get the anecdote.
Oh, this guy has some armor.
I'll take this. That's what I want. 23.
Oh,
Where
yeah,
did he come
7.
from? What the fuck?
Yeah. I did what he came.
I think my truck is still good. I don't know about theirs. I think theirs was like red. That's hilarious. I don't know how that kept running them over.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
I think he tried to get off on his side. I had to type in.
I'm coming to get you.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Might as well get the other recon and see where it goes.
You ready for this, Eric?
Right.
Mark on the grid. Send it.
Oh, hit a tree! Son of a bitch. Another truck's coming, bro.
Yeah. Oh shit, he's trying to run me over. Disabled vehicle? Cracked?
He's hurt.
Gas is closing in.
There, going in.
Oh, I think he's going for his loadout.
There, going in. Windows closing. Get to safety.
I'm gonna push him. Can I get $100?
Glass is closing. Glass is closing.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Fuck. Alright, I'm still gonna buy kill streak first.
You gonna grab the truck?
It might be really low.
Oh, yeah, right.
Throwing smoke.
I'm gonna check.
Throwing smoke.
Oh, it's okay. It's mine.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
Oh, we gotta do fast. Oh, this is something.
Going this way. I'm off this way.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Oh, very truck. Circle. Or do we like camp that house?
I think we go earlier now.
Right?
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Okay.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Whoa. 5 or 6? In the cluster.
Yo, someone just dropped there. Someone just dropped there. On top blue. There's a loadout. Watch out. He has
Oh,
a
they
loadout.
have
He's up there. He's up there. He's up there. Can you snipe him up?
I can't.
As requested.
Oh, I kind of won his spot.
Can you get up there? I'll pump you up.
Should I stay up here? Or...
Oh, your call. It's really working right now. It's final circle. I mean, that house can get pushed like fuck. That's for sure.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there's something
So I just...
I don't know.
I'm not in the last circle. Is this in? This is not in. That in? That's not. Like this is the only big tree, big eastern tree on the last circle.
Keep it up.
And I gotta maybe move over
There,
here.
going in. Hold. Cancel.
Yeah, that's not even in. It seems like it's so open last circle before. Yeah.
I gotta move over fucking
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
I'll find you.
Hit.
I'll drive. Let's go.
Looks like a single guy.
I'll drive. Let's go.
Okay, he's trying to shoot.
It'll be like those trees are the next like shit. Those trees.
Oh,
Mark up. Moving.
we forgot to buy ourselves. Year of life.
Losing ground.
We should be okay this side completely. I don't see anything.
That sniper I saw before though.
I'm off
Was
this
that the
one.
guy that ran across?
Yeah.
Okay, I
I
see
saw
one
him
guy.
at it.
You sure you don't want to right click entry? Oh, you're in?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in. Just making sure no one's like popping up from the west side. There's only four items left.
Oh my god, lottery.
Oh, nice. Nice. I think they're all fighting at the house,
Okay.
and then one by you. Yeah. We're good here.
Okay. Just sniping stuff. Find my blue. Taking my thing out, right?
There. Going in.
Oh, house too.
Going this way.
Yeah.
What's the angle I want?
It's the house solo, and rock solo.
Okay.
Gas is moving.
I'm watching house side.
Oh, I took way too close to my
Got house. Crack.
Armor torpedo.
Be advised.
One,
Friendly
go.
precision airstrike inbound.
Moving up.
He ran away.
Crack.
Oh my god.
Crack. Oh no, I'm reloading. Shit.
It's okay. You gotta see this shit, man.
What a game.
I didn't do like a whatever it was. I didn't earn it, like whatever I did.
What are you talking about? Your clusters.
They were giving to me.
your clusters this game was like on point.
And then I hit one on the tree. Now you gotta see this nonsense I did later. He should be pretty mad because it was like we were dancing for mad long. I'm sure you saw a lot of it.
Can you stop? Take us back. I gotta.
Was that the guy?
You saw
Was
it.
that the last guy?
Yeah, I don't know.